I'm Libby Swanson, and this is Student Council. Student council race this year was extremely heated. We had some tense debates. I'm really glad it's over. It was super stressful. And I think we got a really good council this year. We're gonna rock it. It's gonna be amazing. Student council rocks!
Ricky in the house.
But I am here to congratulate you on becoming our 2014-2015 Peacekeeper Student at Large.
Really? I got it! Really? Thank you! Ricky in the house.
Next up, the Office of Secretary. It was a really tight race. You should be extremely proud of your accomplishment. Congratulations, Kyle Hendrickson.
Yay!
But our winner for Vice President for 2014-2015 is Olivia Otterton. We have some very historic news. It was a tie. Exact same votes for each of you. Therefore, you will be co-publicity chairs together. Congratulations. So our 2014-2015 Student Council President is Jake Hartley.